guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are focusing on a brand new item that is out in the beauty world. People are talking about it, people are saying it's their favorite. From the reviews, from what I can see, some people are really not liking it, but we're going to try it out on my dry to normal, medium tan, olive, dull kind of Asian tone skin and see how it works for me and how I apply it. I'm actually going to do a few different videos to see how I can make it work for my skin, and in today's video we're actually just going to read about it. And I know I blabber and talk a lot and read a lot about it, but that is one of the most important things in my opinion on learning how to make a product work for you and if it is the right kind of product for your type of skin tone. So this foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, which is brand new, is $49 for 1 ounce, and it actually, if you can see on the back of the packaging, there's this little kind of number. It says 24, and that actually means that this foundation lasts for 2 years. So that's very important to me because using an expired foundation definitely causes breakouts in my opinion. This does come in 33 shades. I'm sure everyone knows I obviously bought this myself. I did not purchase all 33 shades, but I did, and I do always pick my own shade or what I think is my shade online, and they have different kind of ranges and undertones and all that. I have dull skin, so in my opinion I try to go for a little tiny bit of peachy in my foundation because it brightens and makes my skin look more radiant, which I prefer. So I got the shade Sahel. I don't even know how to say that right. But Sahel is medium 2.5, and I got that. It is a glass container. It has a matte top. It is 1 ounce, again, 1 fluid ounce. Comes with a pump that you can pump it out. And this is the shade Sahel, which is described as a medium with golden peachy undertones. Okay, so that is the foundation on my skin. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with my finger and see how the texture is. Right away it feels very creamy, like a moisturizer, and I'm actually really liking the feel of this foundation. This looks very natural, and I wouldn't say that it is a full coverage kind of foundation. So I blended it all out with my finger, and that's what it looks like. It is definitely my skin tone. Kind of really good choice. Good job me! Pat on the back. Anyway, so as you can see, I do have this kind of pimple dark spot on my face that I have had for 3 days now. I learned how to spot conceal it. That is on my Instagram story right now if you want to look at that. I think it will be going away soon because it only lasts a day, but I do those kind of things on Instagram. If you want to look at my Instagram or follow me there, then go ahead and check my description box and you'll see that information. But we're going to go ahead and apply this foundation to my face, but we're going to do it the way that it says to do it, that it is recommended. And I also want to say that because I did see other influencers or YouTubers that actually used a brush and used a sponge. But on the website, on the Sephora website, which I think is a more thorough kind of detailed description of the product, it actually is preferred to use with your fingers. So I know a lot of people don't like that, but honestly, if you're looking for a natural kind of look, I always use my fingers, or when I'm trying to just have a quick, natural kind of look, I use my fingers to blend out my concealers all the time. So I do believe that with your fingers, it is a more natural look. But I have seen a lot of complaints also, and maybe they're just not doing what the preferred kind of how to use is saying. So maybe that's the problem. I always look at the how to use part of the description. This foundation is available at Ulta, but they don't really have that much information like Sephora does on their website about the shades and all that. But it does say suggested use, dispense 1 pump or a pearl size amount, like on my hand, of the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and warm with fingertips. Always warm liquid foundation in hand and apply with fingertips. This creates a most natural looking finish. Another thing that it says is apply foundation starting at the center of the face and blend out with the fingertips. Focus on one area at a time and blend well. Start where more coverage is needed, typically in the center of the face, and work out toward the edge of the face. And there are precautions. It says too much formula accentuates line imperfections. Avoid excess application around your eyes or contours of the face. So basically, the how to use in the Sephora app says do not use way too much foundation. So if you're a person who loves foundation and using more than 1 pump or more than 2 pumps or maybe more than 3 pumps, then maybe this foundation is not for you. And obviously you're probably not going to like the outcome. And it also says to use your fingertips. So if you don't like doing that as well, then maybe it won't work out as well. But I did see a YouTuber use a brush when she used and a blender to apply the product, so we're gonna play with it. In today's video, I'm just going to use my fingers. That's enough talking. Let's get into this video and let's just do it. That's 1 pump. Okay guys, so as you can see, I used that 1 pump, and honestly, I am so impressed. I feel nothing on my face. That spot on my face is super duper light right now. I just need a little bit of concealer to kind of blur it out, but it is a medium to full coverage. I love the finger application because I feel like I just put a moisturizer on my face and I'm good to go. And if this is transfer or sweat resistant, then if I use this at a gym or to dance or go out, then and it worked, then maybe it's like a miracle foundation. I actually super love the shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply all these affordable makeup products to see how it works with this foundation. And then I will give you my last review for today's video. So let's get into that. obviously haven't tested the Longwear part of this foundation, but the feeling has got to be the most comfortable foundation I have ever worn, ever. So this is right away going to be one of my go-tos, I can already tell. The shade Sahel is obviously, I'm pretty good at picking my foundation shade, so Sahel is definitely my shade. And I mean, I could be a little lighter, I could be a little darker, but this shade is definitely working for me, and I love it. And I love the way it feels. It is so comfortable. I would say #1 comfortability so far from what I've tried. And for my dry to normal skin, I just have to say this foundation works well. We're gonna go ahead and test it out in future videos, see how it works with my favorite products, see how it works with brushes or blenders. But in today's video, I did how it was suggested, and hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out in your shade. If you are watching because you are the same shade as me or you have the same skin as me, hope it helped you out. And that was the point of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos provided by me, Heather Rar, obsessed in this channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys!